Hi there, Todd from BALSAM Electric. So, you just bought your first EV, but you live in a building like this, you don't have any chargers. What do you do? That's a question we often get. First, you find a reputable electrical contractor like BALSAM Electric, or an electrical engineer to write you what's called an EV-ready plan. And then, you build infrastructure. Let me show you. So here we are in a typical electrical room. The first step of an EV-ready plan is to determine if your building has enough power to add chargers. We do that by requesting a report from your utility, in this building's case, BC Hydro, that shows your power usage over a year. In this building's case, we did determine they had enough power to add chargers through power sharing. I'll get to that later. But what we did was, see that's a gutter box. We pulled off of there, we went into this new switch, and then from this new switch, all the way over here, up and over, into this room, where we have a new electrical panel. Oh, excuse me, coming through. Right here, all the new breakers. And then, through these pipes, this goes down into the parquet. You can see here those conduits enter this big gutter box. One goes this way, down to the lower portion of the parquet, and the other leads to the top of that gutter box and serves the upper part of the parquet. If we follow that conduit from where it started, you can see that every so often there's what we call a drop. That conduit drops down and serves two charging locations. And as you can see, mounting the charger between the two stalls means that either vehicle can charge. One of the things we really like about this charger is that it shows how much power has been used. You can see that they've used 586 kilowatt hours. The green light means the charger's on, and it's obviously available. And that pretty much wraps up the tour. For more information, you can check us out at balsamelectric.com or write us at info@balsamelectric.com.